Growing up, Amy always felt different, not understanding the way her friends thought, struggling to keep eye contact and seen as weird for obsessing about certain topics. But 18 months after asking her GP for an assessment for autism, she's still waiting. Instead, she decided to read about it herself.
I actually cried at some passages and I underlined a lot and everything because I had never experienced anyone articulating these feelings and thoughts that I had that I couldn't even articulate myself.
At times, it's affected Amy's mental health, and she's not alone. In a survey, 93% of autistic people said the state of their mental health was having an impact on their life, with 70% receiving no professional support, and only 6% describing the help they'd been given as having met their needs. The research also revealed that 3 in 5 people had had to wait more than a year to be assessed on the NHS, during which time, in many cases, their mental health had taken a turn for the worse. That's despite the target being a wait of no more than 13 weeks. The study was carried out by an organisation called Brain in Hand, which provides digital and one-to-one help for those with autism, most of whom get it publicly funded. It estimates there could be as many as 1.5 million people with autism in the UK.
The number of people who are autistic in this country and the outcomes that they will experience, things like a higher chance of suicide, less likely to be in work, it feels like it's a sort of public health crisis that hasn't been acknowledged.
A spokesperson for the Department of Health and Social Care said they know how vital a timely diagnosis of autism is and have made £4.2 million available this year to improve services for autistic children and young people. But Amy has waited so long she's found a therapist herself.
I know a lot of people are not in the position that I am and are not able to pay for therapists themselves, and I can't imagine how difficult it must be for them.
Now it's her second Christmas waiting to be diagnosed, with no indication of when that might happen. Emma Birchley, Sky News.